Gonna count down? You gotta count. How many fingers? Show Jeremy how many fingers you have in your hand. 1. That's 5, right? Are you all done? Say all done. Okay, say all done. Now you gotta say the words. Say all done. Son, are you done with your lunch? Say yes, mommy. Say yes, mommy. Not yep. Say yes, mommy. Yes, mommy. Okay, can you say
yes,
see?
Mama.
Okay, look. Can you say see? ¿Ya se acabó? Ok, adiós. Diga adiós. Un beso.